Hey guys, Miss Dudley here again. So today we're going to be talking about weather, and I want to focus on the weather that comes from the clouds. Now, some people may think that the rain comes because the cloud has holes in it and the water falls down, but that's not the case. That just means that the cloud cannot hold any more water droplets, so it releases them. Another misconception that some people may have about clouds is that all clouds produce rain. But that's not true. There's different types of clouds and they have different types of features. So let's take a look at my book and figure out what's going on in the weather. Explore My World, Weather by Lisa Jerry. Today we're going to be talking about the different types of weather, from snowflakes to raindrops and the changing weather too. Weather. Whoosh! The wind blows through the trees, and the long branches sway and dance in the breeze. It's a windy day. Windy, sunny, and rainy are all different kinds of weather. Weather is always changing. Just watch, you'll see. The wind can be fast or slow. It can push boats across the water and blow hats off of head. Whoops! Sunshine. On sunny days, the sun shines bright and warming the earth. Sunflowers and daisies turn up to the sun to soak in as many rays as they can find. The sun can make the air feel hot, just right for a rest in the shade. Or a swim. Ah, that feels nice. Clouds. Clouds are made of tiny drops of water that float together in the sky. On sunny days, you might see big puffy clouds. When they block the sun, they make patches of shade on the ground below. Some clouds are thin and feathery and float high in the sky. Some clouds cover sky like thick gray blankets. Drip, drop. When dark clouds roll in, rain might be next. One by one, drops of water fall from the clouds above. Pitter, patter, split, splat. Brrr. When it's cold enough, the water droplets in the clouds can freeze and fall to the ground as snow. Down drift snowflakes, one by one. When thunder rumbles and lightning flashes through the sky, get ready for a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms can bring lots of rain and lots of loud noises. Boom! After a storm ends, the sun peeks through the clouds again. Animals shake off the rain. Let's go outside. The sun is shining and there are puddles to splash in. Wow, and rainbows to see. Wild weather. Here are some ways that weather can be wild. Tornadoes are very strong winds that start spinning and they form in a tornado. Flood. When too much rain falls too fast and it can cause floods. Hurricane. A hurricane is a widespread storm that brings strong winds and heavy rains. Blizzard. A blizzard is a heavy snowstorm with strong winds. Hail. Balls of ice called hail sometimes rain down from the sky. Drought. A drought happens when it doesn't rain for a long time. It can make the ground dry up and crack. Watching the weather. Scientists who study the weather are called meteorologists. Here are some tools they use to predict what the weather is going to be like. Rain gauges, thermometers, weather balloons, windsocks, satellites. What should you wear? When you're headed outside, it's important to have the right gear for the day's weather. Can you match these clothes and other items with the weather that are best for? I hope you enjoyed my book. So now we're going to get a piece of paper and we are going to draw our favorite type of weather that comes from the clouds. We talked about rain, we talked about snow, sleet, hail. So pick out a weather type, draw me a picture, make sure you include yourself with the proper weather gear. Then write me a sentence to tell me about the weather. Tell me what you wore, what was it going on. I can't wait to see your work. Have a great day.